Hello, it's been a while. I've gained weight. Ano ba? There are 164 days before my bar exam. And it's already 1 a.m. in the morning. And I was supposed to answer bar questions, but I did not because I left my charger sa office. It's school. Nangyayari yan. Anyway, productive day. I read 90 pages. I think 90 pages or more, di ko alam. Dami. Bigat ng ulo ko. Parang may nakapatong na kung ano sa ulo ko. And I'm so tired. Literally so tired. And it's okay. Like, it's fine. Have to work on my study stamina. Have to work on how I answer questions. I have to work on a lot of stuff within those 106 days. And starting April 1, I'm going to be a full-time law student. Full-time bar review na and all. Pero okay lang yun kasi nangyayari yun. Pagod, sakit sa ulo and all, but it's fine. It's just that I know it's going to be worth it, and I want to make all the things. So I want to make all the people who supported me to be proud. Sabi nga nila, it takes a village to raise a lawyer, and it can never be farther from the it's so true. Oh, na para mag-isip. Yun naman lang. Bye YouTube. Pinawel pag-upload ko. I'm going to be uploading more. I'll be uploading more recent or more frequently recently. Yan naman lang. Bye.